Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Makeup Monday. Now today's Makeup Monday is not going to be a makeup tutorial, but it's going to be a makeup haul. Since June, I have been buying tons of makeup and I've been accumulating a lot of things to revamp my makeup vanity. I made a do-it-yourself makeup vanity about 3 years ago. What I did was I took a old computer desk that I found at a thrift store, and then I primed it and then I painted it a nice mint green color, but now it's got some chips and stuff on it, so I'm going to redo it. And I have been getting a lot of different makeup organization stuff that I want to show you guys. So and I have a little bit of makeup that I'll be showing you guys as well in this video. So yeah, so let's get into it. I recently went to Forever 21 with my sister, and when I was there, I saw that they had like little makeup, like acrylic storage for makeup. So the first thing I have is like this acrylic organizer for lipsticks. You can fit 9 lipsticks at the top, and then at the bottom you can put like some stuff in there. I don't know what I'm gonna put at the bottom, but I think that's pretty cool. You could put chapsticks or something down there. And this was only $4.90 at Forever 21. And this was also from Forever 21 as well. At the top you get 9 areas to store lipstick. And then you get this little area right here. I guess I could put like foundations and stuff like that at the top. And then you get 2 drawers to put stuff in. So this thing here was $11.90. So I think that's not too bad for this kind of bigger organizer. The thing I got is this cute little I guess ceramic unicorn. I think unicorns are cute. That trend is really cute. And then it has like a fake succulent in the back. I think that's really cute. And this was $7.90. Thought that was really cute. Okay, this is the oldest thing that I got. So I think back at the beginning of July, somewhere in there, I got 2 of the Alex dupe drawers from Michaels, and I have them stacked on top of each other. I want to wait to do that. I have the drawers already made and set up, but I don't have everything organized yet. Some storage containers at Michaels. So in each one you get 3 little organizers in there. So it's like a soft pink color, and I forgot how much these were, but I don't think they were that expensive. So I got that. I got a white one and then another pink one. Not sure how much that is. More white ones. You get 3 in a pack. And then I got some smaller divider trays. So I can put like smaller things like, I guess, chapsticks or hair ties or something in these. And I do plan on like showing you guys how everything looks once I have it all organized. And those organizers are very inexpensive. I think all of the ones I just showed you came up to about $13 at Michaels. I also went to Target and found some stuff there. I do plan on hanging up like shelves and stuff around my makeup vanity, so I did get some of the 3M command strips, the ones that hold up to 16 pounds. I have my mirror for my makeup vanity and the lights for my makeup vanity held up using command strips instead of nails and stuff like that. It's just a lot easier, and you don't damage the walls as much when you use command strips. So I would definitely recommend doing that instead of using nails and all that stuff. It's really, really cute. You guys know the name of my channel is TheHeartsandcake90, so I do love hearts. So I saw this LED neon figurine at Target, and it glows pink. Oh, it's definitely not showing on camera, but hopefully in like when you see the setup, you'll see like it's like a bright hot pink. It's just not showing up on camera that well. This is so pretty, and I'm probably gonna have it on top of my on top of my drawers maybe, but I thought that was super cute. It's not showing up that well on camera. It's so light on here, but I think that's really cute. This is probably the most expensive thing that I bought. I think this one was like maybe $15 or something like that, but it's super cute. I'll hit up Dollar General because I did a lot of do-it-yourself things for my wedding, and I do art, so I like to do crafty things sometimes. What I decided to do was go to Dollar General and find some things where I could store a lot of my eyeshadow palettes and, you know, other makeup products that I have. So I have seen some people use the wire plate racks to store a lot of their eyeshadow palettes. So that's what I got. I got just a plate rack from Dollar General, and I also bought some gold spray paint because I love gold accessories. The knobs on my makeup vanity are gold. We like gold, so I plan on spray painting this gold and probably storing some of my palettes in this. Got more drawer organizers, even though I bought like a ton of them from Michael's, and I probably don't need as many as I have now. But these are some white drawer organizers that I found at Dollar General. 3 of these smaller ones, and this will be really good for like bobby pins and stuff because I can never keep up with my bobby pins. And then you get, you know, the skinnier ones like this. That would be good for probably single shadows and stuff like that. And then you get bigger ones, 2 big ones like that. So I think that's really nice. So of course don't sleep on, you know, your dollar stores and Dollar Generals and stuff like that, because they do have a lot of good makeup storage for your makeup vanity. This bronze napkin holder, this is also, I wanted to get this for my eyeshadow palettes as well, because a lot of times I don't use my eyeshadow palettes because I don't see them. They're not like on top of my makeup vanity because I already have way too much stuff on it. So if I want to have like a palette of the week that I want to focus on, I hope to use this napkin holder to kind of display the eyeshadow palettes on this. And I also plan to spray paint this gold as well. The bronze is nice, but it just doesn't go with what I'm trying to achieve with the look of my makeup vanity. So I'm sure this was super cheap. Let me see how much this was. This organizer that I just showed you, the white one, was only $5, and the wire rack I showed you guys was only $3.25, and the bronze napkin holder was $3.75. So I think that's really, really good. And it's a cool way to just buy something that's not meant to be used for that purpose and repurpose it. I think that's really cool. Before I went to Dollar General, I went to TJ Maxx. And this is not a store that I typically shop at a lot. I usually shop a lot at Ross, but not so much TJ Maxx. But I found a lot of cute stuff there for my makeup vanity. First thing I saw was this really cute ceramic vase that has a raised like bump texture on it, and it has these like faux light pink flowers at the top. I think this is gonna be such a cute touch for my makeup vanity. And then it has those little feet on the bottom so it doesn't you know, scrape your makeup, so it doesn't scrape up the surface of whatever you're sitting on. And this was $6.99, and I think that's gonna be really cute on my vanity. So my colors for my makeup vanity are mint green, pink, and gold accessories. And of course white is a nice neutral, so you're probably gonna see a lot of white on my makeup vanity as well. This is a ceramic tray, and a lot of people use these kind of trays to put their rings and stuff on there. And it says fresh in the middle. I just thought that was cute and simple, because I don't want to have too much stuff on my makeup vanity. And if you guys see all those jeans right there, I just did a haul from Fashion Nova. And if you follow me on Instagram, which you guys should, follow me at iFancyCupcakes. I told you guys, I asked you guys if you wore a size 15, would you, no, if you wear a size 14, would you get a size 15 in Fashion Nova or 1X, and I got a mix of both. So look out for a jean haul coming up on my channel. But anyway, yeah, so this ring holder was only $3.99, and I thought it was just simple and cute and something to have on my makeup vanity, just to hold my rings and earrings and stuff like that. So here, this thing is so freaking cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. I think I'm probably gonna put makeup brushes in here, probably the bigger ones here, and then I don't know, something else down here, I'm not sure. But anyway, I just thought it was cute, mainly because it's mirrored at the bottom, which is really nice, and then it's glass all around, and I like the geometric cube kind of formation of everything. And then it's gold already, so I don't have to spray paint this one. And this was actually $12.99, but it's been marked down a lot, and the final price was only $5. So you guys see that it was only $5 in the end. Okay, so this is super cute. People put like magazine, this is like a magazine holder. I like the color of this already. It might clash with the color of my makeup vanity, so I think I might have to spray paint it gold. But people put like their files and stuff in it because it says it's a file holder, and it has little round feet at the bottom. And this one wasn't marked down. I was trying to find like a cheaper version of this at TJ Maxx, but it was $12.99, which isn't that bad, but I was looking for some bargains. But this is cute, and I like the pattern they have going on the sides. Ooh. Okay, and this one was cute. I could leave this white if I want to. I'm just gonna have to think about it. This is a letter holder, and I found this at TJ Maxx as well. And it has those, I don't know what that pattern is called, but I see that pattern everywhere. And this little letter holder was $5.99. So I like when there's like a graduated kind of thing with these holders, so you can have your bigger palettes up here and then your smaller palettes at the front. The only makeup I'm going to show you guys in this video are going to be two eyeshadow palettes that I bought from Glitter Realm. I have the Shimmer Teeny, is that what you said? I have the Shimmer Teeny palette, and I have the Summerita palette. So the Shimmer Teeny palette looks like this. Very pretty, like jewel tones. This is like a good colorful palette for like the fall. And you do get really big pan sizes with this eyeshadow palette. I had not heard about this particular brand before, but ever since like June, I've been following a whole bunch of makeup artists on Facebook and Instagram. So one of the makeup artists that I saw, she said she got on a PR list from this brand, and so I researched the brand, and I think they are Black owned, and they just had some really pretty palettes. Now I've tried the Shimmer Teeny palette once before, only for one look, and I wasn't too impressed with like the pigmentation, but I cannot tell you guys that for sure. I need to do like maybe a few looks with this palette before I can give you guys my final verdict on it. But I think this palette was kind of expensive. I think it was like maybe $40 or something, maybe $35, $40. But you do get a lot of shadows with both of these palettes. Now the Summerita palette is the palette that that made me want to buy these palettes in the first place. This one is very bright, and I was kind of conflicted. I was like, if I already have the Box of Crayons palette from the crayon case, do I even need these palettes? But some of the colors that I see in here, the Box of Crayon palette doesn't necessarily have, and vice versa. Like the black in this palette is shimmery, while the black in the Box of Crayons palette is a matte, and the white in this palette is a matte, while the white in the Box of Crayons palette is shimmery. So I haven't got to test this one out, but I'm very curious to see how it performs. So I would like to do a 3 looks in one kind of video, because those kinds of videos are very helpful when you're trying to figure out if you want to buy a palette or not. So I'm gonna have to give this one another shot and then just try this one out for you guys. So look for, you know, a tryout video of both of these palettes. We're unboxing this together. So one of the colors in my color scheme for my makeup vanity is pink. So I wanted to get a cute little small carpet for underneath my chair. So I went on Amazon and I found this little rug, and I think it was only like $20 or so, and it's actually a pretty nice size. I think I got the 4x5 size, and it's pretty cute so far. I just have to fluff it out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna start to organize my makeup vanity maybe tonight, or at least paint the chip parts on my makeup vanity. So that was everything for this makeup vanity haul slash makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more like haul videos in the future, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. We are 4,000 away from 90K. So, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.